How much water must be added to 60 liters of milk at 1.5 liters for rupees 20 so as to have a mixture worth rupees 10/3 liters? So the cost price of 1.5 liters of milk is 20 rupees they have given. So what is the cost price of 1 liter of milk? It will be 20 into 2/3. 2/3 is nothing but I have rearranged the mixed fraction and made it as 2/3. So total milk is 60 liters. So this mixture I am selling it for 2/3. When you rearrange it, you will get 32/3. So this is the cost price of the mixture we know, and cost price of the milk we know, and the cost price of water is 0. So why I convert the 1.5 liters of milk to 1 liter? Because alligation rule, you can always apply to only the unit quantity. So that is the reason I have used it. Now the required ratio is, after using the alligation rule, you get the ratio as 8/3 is to 32/3. So 8 is to 32, that is 1:4. So water and milk is in the ratio of 1:4. So to the total quantity of 60 liters, I have to add, how much water is the question? So I have to add 15 liters. Now a dishonest milkman sells his milk at cost price, but he mixes it with water and thereby gains 25%. Now for assumption, what I am doing is, I am considering the cost price of milk is also 1 and the selling price of milk is also 1. This is purely an assumption, a method to solve the problem, right? Actually, we will not sell with the same cost price. We will not get any gain here. So just for the assumption check, I have done it. So cost price of the mixture is 100/100 plus gain percentage into SP. This is the formula we know, and we have solved some problems in grocery items also. The same way we have to do. Now we have found the cost price of the mixture, that is 4/5. This is a simple step you can follow. Now by alligation rule, we'll get 1 minus 4/5 is nothing but 1/5, and 4/5 minus 0 is 4/5. Water is to milk is in the ratio 1/5 is to 4/5, that is 1:4. Now when you mix it in the ratio of 1:4, you are selling it for some price with a gain of 25%. Now what is the percentage of water is the question. So 1/5, 5 is what? 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is the 5. 1/5 into 100 is 20%. So 20% of water we are using. Now a vessel of 80 liters is filled with milk. See, this is a vessel that has been filled with milk and water. Okay, 80 liters. This contains milk and water. You don't know what is the percentage of milk and water initially is there. Okay, but what I am doing is, I am taking out 70% of the milk and 30% of the water out of the first vessel, and remaining amount, the total amount of milk and water vacated is 55% of the original. Okay, 55% is vacated. It is not the remaining thing. Okay, clear from the question? So out of 80 liters of milk and water, percentage of milk removed is 70 and the percentage of water removed is 30. This both constitutes of 55%. That is what is mean in the pink color. 55% is vacated from the initial. Clear? Now with the alligation rule, we can simply solve this problem. We have to find the initial quantity of water and milk. Okay. So 70% and water is 30%. And vacated is total is 55%, right? So 25 is to 15 is the ratio of milk and water here. 25 is to 15, that is 5 is to 3. Now the quantity of milk is 80 liters divided by 5 plus 3 into percentage of water is 5, so 50 liters totally. So quantity of water is 80 by 5 plus 3 into 3, that is 30 liters. So initially the mixture contains 50 liters of milk and 30 liters of water. 50 plus 30 is 80. You can confirm from that. So the 300 grams of sugar has 40% of sugar in it. Okay, one sugar solution, it is of 300 grams. So it has 40% of sugar, and remaining 60% it contains other constituents. Okay. Now I have to add some amount of sugar, extra sugar, and make this solution as 50%. Okay, this sugar solution should contain 50% of sugar in it. Okay, what is the amount of sugar that I need to add? That is the question. So with the alligation rule, 40%, it is the previous one. It contains actually what is the whole mixture is 100% is the whole mixture. So from 100 to what I have to make 50% as sugar. So the mean one will be 50%. When you solve with the rule, you will get the ratio of older one is to newer one as 5:1. Okay, the simple method, you can easily follow it. That is required 300 divided by 5, 60 grams. So to the solution, I have to add 60 grams of sugar and make it as 50%. Actually, the sugar solution of 300 grams that contains 40% of sugar, and I am adding 60 grams extra to that, and the solution becomes 50% of sugar. Okay. You can even solve it with the shortcut method or the formula method that I have explained in the video too. If you can remember the formula after practicing so many times, you can directly use it. It is in 2 or 3 simple steps you can get it, but I always prefer to do with the detailed method. Next problem is, in what ratio must water be mixed with the milk to gain 20% by selling the mixture at cost price? By selling the mixture at cost price. Okay, so cost price of 1 liter of milk is 1 rupee, means selling price is also 1 rupee, but the gain I am getting 20%. I am getting the gain of 20% when I am even after selling the milk at the same cost price. Okay, it is same as the previous problem I have solved. When you know the cost price, selling price, you have to find the cost price of the mixture and use the alligation rule. So after you have find the mixture, cost price of the mixture, you can use alligation rule and simply solve the formula, solve the equation to get the answer. So water and milk is to be in the ratio 1:5. So for 5 liters of milk, I have to add 1 liter and sell it for the 20% gain. Thank you.